Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you through setting up Google Family Link on an iPhone in 2024. Google Family Link helps you manage your child's digital life, including app usage and screen time. So let's get started. Google Family Link is an app that allows parents to monitor and manage your children's device usage. With Family Link, you can set a screen time limits, manage app permissions, and track your child's device activity. This setup involves two main steps: setting up Family Link on your own device and configuring it on your child's iPhone. First, let's set up Family Link on your device, which will be used to manage your child's account. Open the App Store on your phone and search for Google Family Link for parents and download the app. Install and open the app. Sign in with your Google account. This will be the account you use to manage your child's device. Now here you can add your child. Simply tap on plus add child. For that, your child's iPhone also need Google Family Link. And on your child's account, sign in with their Google account in the Family Link app. After you've done the process on the board, simply click on add child, and when this is prompted, click on yes. When it asks does your child have a Google account, click on yes. And once set up, you can use the Family Link app on your device to monitor and manage your child's iPhone settings remotely. And that's it. You've now successfully set up Google Family Link on an iPhone. With Family Link, you can keep track of your child's device usage and ensure they have a safe digital experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks.